Hey boy, where are you going? All right, people. I can't deny or admit, but I may have a little experience on how to make a jailhouse ramen. And I'm the ramen noodle king. So here we go. These are our ingredients. All right, jailhouse style. We continue. We've got our fancy cutting chef's knife directly from cell block D. And yep, we've got the finest cuts of meats afforded through the commissary or otherwise smuggled from the kitchen. And this is all gonna go together. I mean, we're not gonna warm it up in a plastic bag with hot water. I'm gonna get fancy schmancy, and I'm gonna use a pot with water on the stove. In jail, you'd probably use a bag with hot water and wrap it with a towel and let it sit, and after a couple of minutes or half an hour, it'd be done. And we're gonna use in the end some crumbled up chips. Oh yeah, make them nice and crumbled for texture and to pretty up your plate there. All right. The main ingredient to the grandma's secret jailhouse recipe is the pack of spices. Sriracha chicken is this one. As you can see, the ramen noodles are coming out beautifully. We've got a nice boil there, and they're about done. We're gonna move on with this baby. And voila! What we have is jailhouse ramen noodles. We get a little bit of mix here. We've got, and you can't get this stuff in the finest restaurants. My goodness. You got vegetables, you got some nice cheese, you got all the 4 food groups. You got dairy with cheese, you got pasta. Is pasta one of the food groups? Anyway, you got sausage, meat. Being that I forget what the other food group is, I'll just say you got it in there. So, enjoy your jailhouse ramen noodle. Looks fantastic. Yum, yum, yum.